finished work and we went to a bakery called Poker Bakery, and we grabbed like a chocolate pineapple bun. Is it just a chocolate bun? And we've got to give it a try and see how it goes. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah, of course.
Alright. This whole trip for the past few days has honestly just been me like working and then eating. Just getting up at like 5:45 in the morning and then finishing work at 2 to 2:30, and then because it's like 2 p.m. There's still so much time in the day. Taipei is like a sort of city that opens up more at night than during the day, so it works out for the better that I finish work at 2 and then I can kind of just head out. I'm making my way to Taipei 101 now because apparently there's a lot of shops there and it's just good to check out. So I will see you there. It's like 4 p.m. at the moment, and even though I get to finish at 2, I have like 2 brain cells functioning again. Whilst I get up at 5:45 and it's like equivalent to getting up at 8:45 back at home, I still sleep at like a normal Taiwan time, so 11 p.m. So effectively I'm getting 5 hours of sleep, and then I think that's getting to me. And so when like 2 p.m. rolls around, like the end of the day, I'm just so tired, but I'm just like trying to fuel myself on food at the moment. Taipei 101, I see you. Made it. We walked all the way here so we could try and burn off some calories from the lunch that we just ate.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But yeah.
Little rice cooker and a plug too.
Got the cord.
Yeah.
Very cute.
Maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone.
We originally came here to go look for some tech, but then I found all these miniature things. It's very cute. Very cute. Very cute.
This time, but everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we...
Is it really a trip to Taiwan without a trip to the night market? There's so many people at this one. It's much busier than the one in Hellie and I. I don't know what the night market's called, but it's like the ningxia night market or something like that. The night market eating starts. Super airy.
I'm just playing games. I know there's plastic cloud. Dance to the plastic beat. Another morning cruise.
Macca's for the first time in Taiwan. Didn't get to try it in the US, but made sure to try it in Taiwan. So we got some iced black tea, and this is a corn soup which I haven't seen in Australia before. And then the classic test is also the chicken McNuggets and some fries. And they have a Thai chili sauce as well to go with the chicken nuggets, which I haven't seen before. And then lastly, got the signature burger as well, which is something that's like exclusive to this menu. Haven't seen it before in Australia. It's pretty bougie. And then we have this onigiri thing. The chips are kind of soggy. The tuna has a lot of flavor with the mayo, I think, but the rice doesn't have any.
What other sauces are there?
Honey mustard.